Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us Pikachu. All right, so let's get started. It's going to be easy and for beginners, so let's do it. I'm going to go right over here and I'm going to draw a curve right here along the top of Pikachu's head there. I'm sorry, it's the top of kind of the lens of the crewmate. Curve over here on this side. I'm going to go over here on this side now. We're going to curve downward. And then now we're going to complete this shape by going along the bottom here. And don't forget, by the way, this stuff's supposed to be fun and entertaining. It's just to chill out. So remember that. It's just meant to be mellow. Curve right here on one side. Going to go over here on the other side. Out, down for kind of that Pikachu-like ear. Going to go over here on this other side and pull out forward this time. I want it to be a little bit different. You know, I want one ear up and one ear down. Cool. And we're going to go over here. We're going to pull downward. Over here in the front. Downward over here. Okay. And by the way, stay with me. We're already almost done. Can you believe it? It's pretty quick. The whole process is quick, so... All right, curve over here on the bottom, curve over here, upward, out over here for kind of the bottom of the body there. And then we're going to pull the leg upward so that it has like a very, just, I don't know, we're just going to pull it upward right there. Okay. So we're doing really good so far. Okay. Pulling outward, down, curve underneath. Gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna pull a zip. Well, we're gonna put Pikachu's tail. Pikachu's tail is gonna kind of go. Well, let's just start over here, kind of around the mid area, bottom area, out over here, like a zigzag, like so. Up over here, zigzag. And it's gonna get bigger as it goes outward, kind of like a horn, right? Don't forget to pick up the really incredibly amazing guide for how to draw cute. So if you ever wanted to learn how to draw cute and you're kind of mixed up, you're not really sure what to do, go pick up that guide. It is a printout. You can print it out or you can just look at it on your phone. It's a few pages. It is a complete guide on how to draw something adorable, or you can make something cute. And it gives you the measurements full out there, made for you. So go pick that up while it's free right now. Up over here, and then we're going to connect this, and we're going to pull down like so. Okay, so now let's get into the details of you know, of Pikachu per se. So we're going to go over here. We're going to pull a line across. Over here, we're going to pull a line across. Okay. And now we're going to fill the tips in right here. If you're using a marker, great. If you're using a pencil, that's great too. You can also kind of shade it in. It's kind of fill in that shape like you're coloring like a coloring book. It's nothing, you know, you just want to make it as flat as you can, especially in pencil. So if you're doing it in pencil, try to make it relatively flat if possible. Line over here like so. And now we filled those out. So let's go to the tail, and there's a discoloration kind of as the tail enters kind of the body area. So what it is that you really want to express that discoloration, and what we can do is we kind of go to the bottom here, and we could draw like a small zigzag across that tail. And if you want, although it's brown, you can kind of fill this shape in as well. If you fill this shape, it would be pretty good. It wouldn't be like incorrect or anything like that. So, like I said, just maybe you could do that as well. Okay, say almost done. Stick around here. So let's kind of take a look at what we're looking at right now. And what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna draw a kind of circle shape for the cheek, right? That kind of rosy cheek that Pikachu has. You can draw it like oval on its side, or you can draw just a direct circle. So it's up to you. And I would draw it around this area, which is what we're going to do. So, and if you're not good with circles, we can draw it like in pieces. So we're going to go right here like curved shape on one side. Looks like a bump, right? And then we're gonna complete that circle on this side right here. Ready? Curve like so. And so you have that complete circle pretty much right there for you. Let's go over here for the reflection on the visor. These are just like finishing touches. Curve underneath up like so. And we want to do more than that. So we're going to draw a kind of oval shape at the end there, because then it'll really look like it's a reflective surface. And then what you could do is draw another one down here, like let's say like a wiggly line right there, changing shape. And lastly, I do this for a lot of them, and you can do it as well. We're going to go over here, and we're going to curve. We're going to draw a thicker line around the outside border of this, right? Curve right here. Pull down, just like a slightly thicker line. It gives it like an overall sticker appearance. So don't, you know, that's pretty good. Curve like here, down. Curve around here, like up. And just on the outside border. The reason for that is, I don't know what it is. It just makes everything on the inside look, I don't know, it gives you like focus, and it kind of gives it a stylized look that normally you probably might not get. So that's kind of what's cool about it. Curve over here, down right there, down over here on the edge, outward, and down right here. Out angle, angle in, up over here, like so. Down right there. Continue to kind of do this, and now we're kind of coming in here the home stretch. What I want you to do, by the way, is to share the video if you can. It helps the channel out. The channel is growing, and I love seeing a lot of the same people commenting. I love that. It's amazing. If you comment on anything, I will reply to you, literally. Even if you just say hi. In fact, just say hi right now so that I know that you're watching. And you know what? I will reply back. Even go back to old videos and say hi, and I will reply back as well. So stay right now. We're going to do another lesson together, so let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.